looking at the discriminant. Now, when we talk about the discriminant, we're looking at b squared minus 4ac. It's linked to the quadratic formula, and that's the bit that is inside the square root sign. So obviously, if we have a 0 inside the square root sign, we're going to get the same thing when we plus or minus that, and so we'll only get one solution. If we have a negative inside the square root sign, obviously we can't do a negative of a square root, so that means there are no solutions. And if there's a positive number inside that square root sign, we're going to get two solutions to our quadratic. So that's where the discriminant comes in, and that's how we use it. Here's a type of question that you might see to do with that. So we've got 2x squared plus mx plus 1 equals 0. What values of m have exactly one solution for that equation? So we're looking at the b squared minus 4ac. Now, in this case, our a is 2, our b is m, and our c is 1. So when we put that in, we get m squared minus 4 times 2 times 1 must be equal to 0, because if we have exactly one solution, then that would be equal to 0. So we can then start simplifying that. So we get m squared, take away 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is still 8. So then we will get m squared is going to be equal to 8. So by taking the 8 over to the other side, so m is going to equal the square root of 8. So we could simplify that further if we wanted to, and break that down to root 4 times root 2, which is 2 root 2. And just remembering that that is going to be plus or minus, because when we do the square root of a number, we can get a positive or a negative answer.